I have more evidence for this video. So my lovely algorithm decided to show me a video, specifically by Sponge Truths on YouTube. Shout out to him. I did not come up with anything here. And it explains the point I was making. Let me summarize. The new SpongeBob lacks a story, no emotional arc, characters are flanderized, and just constant humiliation of Squidward, noisy humor. Nothing special. In the classic SpongeBob, we had 3 characters with a dynamic relationship. SpongeBob, the naive, optimistic sponge. Squidward, the pessimistic, grounded character. Patrick, the sweet, dumb ride-or-die friend. They have a unique problem, they do stupid things, but SpongeBob and Patrick actually try to help Squidward. In new episodes, it seems like they just want to torture Squidward, that's it, thus giving us a plot and episodes that lack a certain depth that classic SpongeBob had. Go watch the full video, he does a really good explanation of it. That's just my summary. I'll try to link it. If not, here's the name. Argue in the comments.